Hello everyone! Today, I'll guide you through several methods on how to view your Wi-Fi password on your Android phone, so let's dive right in. First, go to Settings on your Android device. Navigate to Network and Internet, and select Wi-Fi. Once there, tap on Wi-Fi Preferences, or a similar option depending on your device. Scroll down and find the Save Network section. Here, you'll see a list of Wi-Fi networks you've connected to in the past. Select the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. Click on the Wi-Fi network name and you'll see an option to share. Tap on Share, and you may be asked to verify your identity with a password or fingerprint. After verification, you'll get the option to share the Wi-Fi details. Now, for the password of a saved but not currently connected network, follow the same steps. Instead of selecting a connected network, choose the one you want from the save list and go through the sharing process. It's important to note that on the newer Android models, the password might be replaced by a QR code. If this is the case and you want to see the password, take a screenshot of the QR code. Use Google Lens to scan the screenshot by going to Google Photos. Then, tapping on the lens icon and upload the screenshot. Google will reveal the password. However, if you need to copy the password, go to scanqr.org. Upload a screenshot there, and you'll be able to copy the Wi-Fi password easily. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!